back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the easy, simple, fresh makeup look for the Valentine Day as it is nearby. So if you want to know how I have created this look, then please keep on watching. So first I'm using Borolline to moisturize my lips, and I have already moisturized my face. Then I'm using Maleo primer so that my makeup will stay longer, and blending it well. Next, I'm mixing Maybelline Fit Me and Manakadar Illuminator for my base and blending it well. Mixing these foundation and illuminator brings a healthy glow on your face. Next, I'm using Bharat and Dorris cream concealer to conceal my under eye. And I'm applying it on my upper eyelid as well. And just using the brush to blend it well. These one I got it from beautybigbang.com, and concealing all the pigmentation area. Next I'm filling up my eyebrow using Facilate Big Bang eyebrow pencil, and then brushing it with the spoolie. Next I'm using this matte brown color from the Sugar palette to on the crease line to create a transition color. Next I'm using this dark chocolate color on the outer corner just to create a depthness. Then I'm using this light pink color from the Big Bang 3-in-1 palette to the inner first third part of my eyelid. And then I'm using this shimmery golden color from Sugar palette to the same area where I have applied pink color. And then going same with the lower lid as well. I'm concealing it as I need some more concealing part. Next I'm using this Wet n Wild liquid liner to create the winged line. This is jet black liner. It's really good. Next I'm using this Faces brown kajal to line my waterline and curling my lashes. And then I'm applying mascara from the Maybelline Volume Express mascara on my upper and water lashes. You can see the difference. Now I'm using this pale golden color to highlight my brow bone and tear duct area. Then I'm using this Lakme compact powder to set my face. Then I'm contouring with the same palette my cheekbones, my forehead, my jawline and little bit nose. Now I'm using this peachy pink color on apple of my cheeks. Then using this Makeup Revolution highlighter on higher point of my face. Then I'm using this Miss Claire lip liner and lip cream to complete this look. This is such a gorgeous color. I really love this color. So this is what the complete look for the Valentine is. It's very fresh and simple. You can totally skip some step if you face it's over. So I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please click on the like button and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it. And you can follow me on Twitter and Instagram as well. I recently started using Instagram. So see you next time. Till then, bye bye. Take care.